Hello my dear students, very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe staying at your home only. Today we just have to discuss about the topic advertisement. Okay, firstly what are advertisements? Actually in my previous lecture we just have discussed about the notice and we have done the comparative study. Now here is the another topic of the writing skill, that is advertisements. And what are advertisement? I wanna ask from you all, just pause the video and give your answer. What are advertisement? Advertisement is the word made by ad. What is ad? What is ad? Ad is what we are just wanna sell our products. When we are going to sell our products for the publicity. For what? For publicity. For publicity, advertisements are we all are using the advertisements. Like one has open a saloon, okay, one has open a saloon or a beauty parlor, so he just want to advertise for that कि more and more customers come to him. That is also, and one more thing also can be there for that, poster, okay, but these two are different things, okay. Advertisements are used for the any item, like any bike you are having, you wanna sell your bike, you wanna purchase a bike, you wanna flat on a rent, you wanna purchase a rent, okay, there can be many things. So I will just give you some common headings only, okay. With these common heading you just can make any type of advertisement, okay. And what are the required things in our advertisement, I am telling you about this also. First one is main important thing, advertisement always written in a 50 word. Okay, grammatical mistakes are not countable here. You can do many grammatical mistakes. No one is allowed to cut your marks. Okay, and even no one is allowed to cut your single mark. But information must be there. Okay, what you wanna give the information to the other, that must be here. Like you wanna sell, you want to sell a flat. You are the owner of the flat. You want to sell that flat. So what will be the information regarding the flat? Like how many rooms are there? Okay, balcony facilities there or not? Parking facilities there or not? Okay, how many washrooms are there? How many, you can say, bedrooms, and how many living rooms are there? How many, you can say, drawing room is there? Okay, kitchen is of, and in how many square feet your flat is? Okay, like these type of things. So I am just telling you about the format of the advertisement, how you all have to write the advertisement. Like in a rectangular box, okay, you all will write in a rectangular box, okay. For example, you are writing an advertisement about want to sell a flat, okay, want to sell a flat. You are the owner of the flat. For example, I am the owner of the flat. I wanna sell my flat, okay. So how I will write here? Will make the heading want to sell a flat, okay. And suppose you are giving this advertisement in the Times of India, okay. So in the next line you will write to be published in the Times of India, okay, to be published in the Times of India. Now what you all have to write, how many rooms are there, okay, and how many facilities are there, the water supply is there or not. You can say like in 24-hour water supply, electricity facilities there, the electricity cuts are there or not. You just, if you want to sell the flat, obviously you will tell the qualities of that, na? You will not tell the negativity of these things. So you have to just, but at the end it is compulsory for all of you to write address or phone number or email or board. It's your requirement, what you wanna just write, okay. These type of things are just necessary in this. At the last key, the candidates who wanna contact, so you can just contact on this address or you can just contact on this phone number, or you can contact on the email ID also. But now I want to tell you all some headings that you can use in all type of advertisements. In all type of advertisements you can use these headings. Okay. If you want to purchase a flat, if you want to purchase a flat or anything, so which type of heading you want? Wanted a flat. If you want a flat on rent, wanted a flat on rent. Okay. If you want to purchase a bike, wanted to purchase a bike. Okay. If you want to purchase a bungalow, wanted to purchase a bungalow. Okay. If you want to sell your flat, then also two type of options are there. If you want to sell your flat, if you want to sell your bike, if you want to sell your car, if you want to sell your bungalow, if you want to sell your clinic, if you want to sell your shop, whatever is there, to which thing you are the owner, you can just write like this: wanted to sell. Okay, whatever you want to write. And one more option is there: available a flat for sale, available a car for sale, available a bike for sale, available a bungalow for sale, available a shop for sale, available a clinic for sale. Whatever you want to write, you can just write this thing. Okay, my dear student. And this was all about the advertisement. I will share with you all types of advertisement, like for the items, okay, for the vehicles, and you all are requested to write these advertisements in your notebooks, and just don't follow those headings. Okay, don't follow those headings, just follow the headings whatever I am telling you. Okay, in the book many type of headings are there, many type of headings are there, but don't follow those headings. Okay, just follow the headings what I'll tell you. Okay, what I have told you now also, you can, if you feel any problem, you can just ask from me. If you think it's not wrong, or, and one more thing, student, there is no restriction to use the tense or sense, which type of tense or which type of sense you are using. Everything is correct. Whatever you are using, everything is correct, because grammatical mistakes are not countable here. Okay, no, just whatever you want to tell to the others, that must be told to them. Okay, that was all about it. And firstly, you will listen this video and I'll share with you some things. You all are requested to write these things in your notebook. In my next lecture, means to say in tomorrow's lecture, we will discuss about some more advertisement, and after that I will share with you the picture. Then only you will write those advertisements in your notebook. Okay, but I will share with you some material. You all are requested, you all are informed to write these things in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.